Hello folks, this is Steve A.B.4EL. This is the second time I've uploaded this video. The first time after they refused or were unable to render it and publish it in an hour. See, they have this countdown timer that's a fake. It's fake. Like a lot about YouTube is fake. So then it says, please be patient. It's taking longer than expected. Well, the taking longer than expected could run for 5 hours. So I deleted it. And then I immediately re-uploaded it. Okay. Now, after 25 minutes, it says it's ready. So I'm starting to do the finishing steps for publishing it, and this is called the end screens. Now, you see what's going on there? The underlying server that's handling this is in a state of chaos, somewhere in one of their data centers. It's continually interacting with my computer. I'm not doing anything. And that's what's going on. They've got a code problem. They've got an overload problem. They've got some kind of problem. I suspect they're trying to, lately they've been trying to deploy new code. This past week I published a video where I showed you that they just simply lost track of half the videos from the whole world that were uploaded during about a 5-hour period. That's a sign of either they were infiltrated and those were hackers, I doubt it, or they're trying to deploy some new code or configuration and it's going wrong on them. And this is another attempt and something's wrong. Now I'll move the cursor to somewhere else. Does it stabilize? No. This is not working right either. I should be able to put it all the way over here to the right. There's something wrong with their code. They're in chaos. Okay, we'll save this and I'll finish the publishing process. And at this point right now, if there's any problem with publishing it, having it appear, I'll put it on the screen. Steve A.B.4EL, just showing you what really goes on with YouTube, saying see you in 73.